In today's video, I want to introduce one of the best and most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView, which is suitable for scalping and day trading. Please watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a trading strategy based on this indicator for finding the best trading opportunities in the market. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search BB Impulse, this one, which is written by Lazy Bear. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart in the form of a histogram that is moving above and below the center line, which is 0. BB Impulse is built based on Bollinger Bands and offered by John Bollinger, who created Bollinger Bands. Similar to Bollinger Bands, the default length is set at 20 with multiplier factor set at 2, which is the most commonly used settings for Bollinger Bands. But here for this indicator, we have two important levels. Alert levels, which is set at 0.24, and they are set above and below 0. These two lines, which are set at plus 0.24 and minus 0.24. And we have impulse level, which is set at 0.4, and they are set similarly above and below 0. These two lines. This one set at minus 0.4 and this one set at plus 0.4. Let's go to the style tab and change the appearance to column so the bars will be more clear. Alright, as I said, these two levels, which are set at 0.24 above and below 0, are alert levels, and these two levels, which are set at 0.4 above and below 0, are impulse levels. Generally, when the bars are above 0, we have greater upside momentum, and when the bars are below 0, we have greater downside momentum. But please pay attention that these bars are showing short-term and instant momentum changes in the market, and you can see that on every turning points of the market, including pullbacks or even short pauses in the form of an opposite candle, it will turn the bar to the other side. When the bars cross above or below the alert level, it tells us that we have increased upside or downside momentum, and you can see that the bar colors become green or red depending on its position above 0 or below 0. And when the bars cross above or below the impulse level, it tells us that because of a reason we suddenly had a great upside or downside momentum. This can be starting point of greater price movement, or it can be a sign that we have a pullback in the market, or it can also be a sign that we have an exhaustion move in the market and maybe we get a reversal soon. All we know is that when the bars cross above or below the impulse level, we have a sudden and impulse increase in momentum and strong advancing or declining of the price, usually in the form of a long candle or candles with large range. So here we have two types of signals. We have alert signals, which are moderate, and we have impulse signals, which are stronger in terms of momentum and price changes. As I said, this indicator gives momentum change signals on every turning points of the market, whether they are moderate or strong. So we need to pick the best of them that can bring us good opportunities for trading, like this one, but not this one, which is a false signal for trading. For this purpose, we need to use this indicator in conjunction with other indicators so we can filter the signals like this, which don't provide good trading opportunities for us. The first indicator that we want to add is RSI, this one, Relative Strength Index, and we will use RSI with its default settings, and we're going to use it for trend identification to find out if the market is trending up or down. And the next indicator that we want to add is called Squeeze Index, this one, which is a free indicator from Lux Algo, and we're going to use this indicator for identifying non-trending market. When it's above 80 and red, the market is flat, and when it's below 80, it shows that the market is trending. Everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, in this strategy, we focus on the impulse signals when we have these orange bars. The green and red bars also provide good trading opportunities, but they generate more false signals, especially during the times that we have a reversal, because they show moderate momentum change, which can happen in every phase of the market. Instead, we focus on impulse signals, these orange bars, which shows a sudden and impulse momentum change, and they tell us that because of a reason we have considerable increased buying or selling pressure. As I said, we use this indicator for identifying flat market. When it's red, it shows that the market is flat. So we don't take any signal in this situation. It's true that we can have good signals like this, but we have also signals like this. So we try to minimize our risk as much as possible, not taking any trade when the market is flat. Alright, this is how this strategy works. When we have a positive impulse signal, which is actually a buy signal, we take a look at RSI. RSI should be above 0 and also it should not be overbought. If it's above 70, the signal is rejected. And as I said, this indicator should be below 80. So this is a confirmed buy signal and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and as you can see, this trade is a profitable trade. Please pay attention that this short position signal here and also this one, they are not confirmed signals because RSI is above 0. For short position signals, RSI should be below 0 and also not oversold. Alright, moving on the chart, here we have a flat market, so these signals are not taken. And here we have a bearish signal, but RSI is above 0, so this signal also not confirmed. Moving on the chart, here we got a bearish signal, RSI is below 0 and not oversold, and for this indicator the line is below 80, so this short position signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss is placed above the previous swing high, and as you can see, this trade is also a profitable trade. Please pay attention that for this short position signal that we have here, we don't take it because RSI is on oversold reading. This indicator is suitable for short-term trading like scalping and day trading because here we are dealing with sudden momentum changes that are happening in the market, and by having this trading setup we can filter the false signals and only take the ones that have the highest probability of giving the expected result. The important point that you must pay attention is that no indicator or a strategy can give you 100% guaranteed signals, and all we need to do is to take the signals that have higher probability and then managing our risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for short-term trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is one of the most important factors in your trading success. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.